Hello everyone, my name is Sofia Ortiz and today I will be showing you the amazing world of Minecraft. Now, you have probably heard about Minecraft from your kids or you have played the game yourself. But how many of you actually know what the game is about? A couple years ago, all I knew about Minecraft is that it is a Lego-like video game where everything is square-shaped. But it was not until my older son started playing and explaining to me all the different worlds he had built that it makes me realize the huge potential of this video game. So going back to its origins, Minecraft was created by Marcus Persson, who many people know by the name The Notch. He is a Swedish independent video game developer and former CEO of Mojang App, a video game company. Today, Minecraft is the best-selling video game of all time, with over 200 million copies sold. Minecraft, as its name indicates, is a video game to mine and to craft. Players enter this massive and unexplored world in which they destroy blocks to begin mining for different types of materials including wood, leather, cobblestone, among others. Then players can do multiple combinations and create new tools, start building and enchanting things. Once you are satisfied with your work, you can go ahead and create a new world. The options are limitless and you can build almost anything there. Minecraft has several game modes which you can choose from. These game modes each have different elements enabled in order to allow you to play differently. In total, there are 5 types of game modes. Survival. Players have to try to survive by gathering material, building shelter, gaining experience, and fighting multiple threats. When playing in survival mode, players are exposed to creepers, which are these green monsters that come during the night, as well as other types of threats, such life-threatening lava, spiders, zombies, which are typically called mobs. Hardcore. This mode is similar to survival mode, but the level of difficulty is higher. This means that there are more enemies that can do a lot of damage, your life as a player drains faster, and you can even die from hunger. Once players die, they cannot respawn, and the map is automatically deleted. Creative. A game mode where players have immediate access to almost all blocks and items, are invulnerable, immune to death, and have the ability to fly. There is no day-night creations and no enemies to destroy. As mentioned before, the purpose of this game mode is to create and design unique worlds. Adventure. Players interact with certain elements and mobs in the map to complete an adventure. You will also only be able to place or destroy specific blocks and tiles. A spectator. This mode is typically used to observe others' player-created worlds, as players are invisible to everything and cannot interact with anything. You will not be able to die in this game mode since you don't take damage from enemies and the environment. The first thing you need to know about Minecraft is that there is no objective, there is no win or lose type of situation. Players have complete freedom to play. The entire purpose is to build and explore and of course survive. However, there is a list of achievements that players can decide to follow. According to Pearson, these achievements are intended to show players things that they can try instead of things that they have to do in order to advance. Players can either play themselves or with others online in multiple platforms, including game consoles such as Xbox, PlayStation, and Nintendo Switch. It is also available for Windows 10, as well for Android and iOS. There are multiple raids that range from $10 to $62, depending on the type of version. There is also multiple monthly membership options. You can either pay once for a total of 180 days or get billed every month. Minecraft Pocket Edition for Android and iOS costs $9.99. A beginner guide: the first thing to do is to purchase and then install the game in any of the devices mentioned above. Then, what you want to do is to complete the installations and select the game type in the main menu. If you select single player mode, then you can start creating a new world. Give it a name and choose the game mode. Now you can enable the game sheets to decrease the level of difficulty as you play and switch between creative and adventure mode. Once you have entered the world, you can begin mining, collecting resources, killing animals, gathering food, and building shelter. Beyond that, it is entirely up to you to decide what to do next. In addition to all other type of Minecraft editions that I have shown you before, there is one in particular that I would like to discuss in this video. Minecraft Education Edition is a platform specifically designed for learning. Now, this version is almost identical to the regular version. The only difference is that teachers are in control in what needs to be explored and done. Educators in more than 115 countries currently use the platform to engage with the students in the classroom, as it is a classroom-friendly platform that supports immersive STEAM learning as well as creative and innovation. Some of the benefits of Minecraft Education Edition include the enhancement of creative thinking, reasoning skill, problem solving, collaboration, and digital citizenship. Kids can also learn about geometry, geology, and chemistry in more advanced levels. Likewise, some of the most important values learned through Minecraft in overall are dedication, perseverance, and goal setting. From my perspective of a mother and future educational assistant, I believe Minecraft has a lot of potential inside and outside the classroom. As an educator, I think it is important to provide students with learning opportunities that are based on some of the things they enjoy. Nowadays, students are hard to keep entertained and, most importantly, engaged during the class. It is sometimes challenging trying to find a way for students to collaborate in projects whose topic is very complex and hard to understand. For that reason, I will recommend Minecraft to all the educators, as it is a highly beneficial tool to support students of all ages during the learning progress. The world is yours for the making. Thank you for listening to my presentation.